Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Today we're covering a key cybersecurity tool, your own home lab. It can be used for practicing skills, testing tools, or learning. Let's dive in. A home lab is crucial for hands-on practice simulating attacks, testing defenses, and exploring cybersecurity tools in a safe environment. Setting up a home lab gives you the ability to experiment with tools like Kali Linux for penetration testing, Wireshark for network analysis, or even practice incident response scenarios. Now let's talk about what you need to build your lab. You don't need to break the bank. Start small and scale as you go. Here are the basics. A decent computer or laptop. First, you'll need a computer. If you have a laptop or a desktop, that's a great start. You can install virtual machines on your computer to create multiple test environments. You don't need the most expensive setup, just something that you can handle running virtual machines or containers. Software like VMware or VirtualBox will allow you to run multiple virtual machines on your computer, simulating a network of devices to practice with. Virtualization software. Virtualization tools like VMware Workstation or Oracle VirtualBox are key. They allow you to create separate environments. Think of them as isolated cyber zones where you can run different operating systems and practice various skills. Cybersecurity tools. Next, install some of the tools used in the industry. Here are a few essentials. Kali Linux for penetration testing, Wireshark for network traffic analysis, Metasploit for testing exploits and vulnerabilities, Snort for network intrusion detection. These tools are free to use and provide hands-on experience with real-world technologies and attack simulations. Now let's set up a simple lab. Here's a basic structure. Virtual machines for different OSs. Create virtual machines with different operating systems like Windows, Kali Linux, and Ubuntu. This will give you a variety of platforms to work with and help you understand how security varies across systems. Network setup. You can set up a virtual network between your machines. This will allow you to simulate real-world environments where machines communicate with each other over a network. You'll learn how to detect traffic, configure firewalls, and monitor for suspicious activity. Once your virtual machines are set up, connect them in a virtual network and you're ready to start simulating attacks, testing defenses, or analyzing traffic. With your lab set up, the fun really begins. You can use your lab to practice a variety of skills. Penetration testing. Try exploiting vulnerabilities in your test system using tools like Metasploit. Use Wireshark for network monitoring to capture and analyze network traffic, spotting malicious activity or data exfiltration. Incident response. Simulate a cyber attack and practice your incident response techniques by identifying and mitigating the threat. This is your space to experiment and fail forward. The key is consistency. Set time aside to regularly practice and refine your skills. As a military veteran transitioning into cybersecurity, your experience with problem solving, attention to detail, and critical thinking will serve you well here. Your home lab is a great way to leverage those skills and start mastering the tools you'll use in a real-world cybersecurity role. Some great free resources include TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and CyberAces. These platforms offer hands-on labs and challenges where you can continue to build your skills. Building a home lab is an essential step in your cybersecurity journey. It's the perfect way to get practical, hands-on experience while building a strong foundation in the skills you'll need. So, get started, experiment, and keep learning. There's a lot of exciting work ahead of you. Find your perfect cyber role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.